everyone. I would like to welcome you to this once in a lifetime job opportunity presentation. First, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Miss Alexa or Teacher A, proud JMG trained ESL teacher now at Native Camp. I am your speaker for this video, and here I will guide you on how you can start your life-changing career at the comforts of your home. Are you looking for a permanent work from home job? Whether for part-time or full-time, or kailangan nyo lang ba ng extra income? O di kaya naman, madalas ba kayong mabiktima ng mga misleading job hiring posts na nagkalat sa social media? Well, worry no more because I'm thrilled to be here with you today to talk about something that has truly changed my life, and that is ESL teaching and the amazing benefits of working from home. Over the next minutes, we'll dive into how you can start your journey in ESL teaching and how our training program here at JMG can help you land your first online teaching job even if you have no prior experience. Okay, to start, let's talk about ESL teaching first. ESL stands for English as a Second Language. It involves teaching English to non-native speakers. There is a huge demand in English teachers globally, and platforms like Native Camp can help you give the opportunity to reach students from all around the world who wants to improve their English skills. Working from home is a dream for many. Alam kong gusto nyo rin yan, kaya nga kayo nanonood sa video na ito ngayon, di ba? Ako din. Yan din ang ginusto ko noon at ngayon, I'm proud to say na ito na ang ginagawa ko ngayon. With this setup, you can create a space that's comfortable for you. Work from home saves you time on commuting, reduce expenses for food and transportation, and avoid the hassle of preparing for the office early in the morning. Napaka-convenient lalo na kung tag-ulan at hassle ang pagkukommute. Then of course, work-life balance. With an online job, balancing work with personal life becomes so much easier. You can schedule your family time, personal hobbies, or even a second job if needed. Having a work-life balance, mas ma-enjoy mo ang bawat aspeto ng buhay mo. Imagine a daily routine where you wake up in the morning and in a few minutes, you are ready for work. This job's flexibility is ideal if you have other commitments, lalo na kung ikaw ay nag-aalaga ng pamilya o nag-aaral pa. Flexibility here is not just a benefit. It is a lifestyle that allows you to grow personally and professionally. This time, let me introduce to you what is JMG Work From Home Facility and Virtual Assistant Services. JMG was established in 2020. BIR and DTI registered po kami, and we have successfully trained over 14,000 trainees lang naman. This achievement highlights our dedication in helping individuals seeking for work-from-home jobs. Our mission is to provide opportunities for individuals unfamiliar with ESL teaching and virtual assistance field. We ensure a 95% passing rate for aspiring ESL teachers during their demo lessons because we are here to guide you throughout your journey. Now, let's discuss the basic qualifications, requirements, and why you should choose Native Camp. Okay, disclaimer lamang po, we are not affiliated with Native Camp. We only provide support to aspiring ESL teachers to help them succeed. Here at JMG, we use Native Camp as our platform because of these following reasons. First, flexible schedule. Native Camp allows you to teach when it's convenient for you. It operates 24/7 and there's no required minimum number of hours. Pwede mong kontrolin kung kailan ka magtatrabaho at kung kailan ang off mo. Second, no experience needed. Native Camp welcomes teachers of all backgrounds. You don't need a bachelor's degree or prior teaching experience. Their materials are scripted, and our training program here at JMG will help you feel more confident and prepared. Mahalaga po dito sa amin ay yung dedicated ka mag-training at yung willingness to learn. Here at Native Camp, we are not limited to teaching kids only. Almost all age groups between 4 to 60 years old, nandito po. At ang mga students po ay from Japan, Taiwan, Korea. Ang mga students din po dito ay adults, professionals, young professionals, even seniors. At lahat po sila dito ay friendly at eager matuto. Masaya ang magturo at the same time very rewarding ang pagtuturo sa kanila on our part being as their teacher. Now, here are the qualifications to get started. First, kailangan you can speak basic English. Hindi ka fluent? It's okay. Lessons here are scripted, sabi ko nga, diba? Second, you should be at least 18 years old and above. And then next, with or without experience. So kung wala kang bachelor's degree or hindi ka pa nakagraduate ng college, it's okay because high school graduates, ina-accept din po namin. And of course, ang sabi ko nga kanina, yung willingness to learn and undergo training. Now, for the requirements, ang kailangan po natin ay, una, personal computer or laptop, stable internet connection, wired or Wi-Fi, recommended browser para sa platform ng Native Camp, clear and functional camera for video classes, at of course, noise-canceling headphones to ensure clear communication with your students. See? Super basic, right? From qualifications to the basic requirements needed, napakasimple lang. Sa application process naman in Native Camp, you will go through the following steps. First, exam. 40 items in 20 minutes. Then next, tech check. The admin will verify your equipment and your environment. And the next is demo lesson na. At syempre, dahil nasa JMG kayo, training first before demo. Once your training is completed, you're ready for your actual demo lesson in Native Camp. May hanggang 3 chances po kayo para pumasa at ito pong structured process ng aming training ay siguradong makakatulong sa inyo upang maipasa nyo ang requirements ng Native Camp. Siyempre, huwag po kayo mag-alala dahil ang bawat steps ay ipapaliwanag namin sa inyo ng malinaw. Okay, let's get into the most important aspect kung saan kayo interesado lahat, ang income potential. At Native Camp, the pay structure is simple. You earn 57 pesos and 20 cents per 25 minutes when you take sudden classes. These classes are not booked. Students can join your class as soon as you're available. And then of course, there's book classes, which is 80 pesos per 25 minutes. Pag book class, students can book advance and pay a bit more. And then, nagbibigay din ng Native Camp ng incentives tulad ng 2,200 pesos para sa mga bagong teachers na makakaabot ng 2,005 minutes sa loob ng 2 weeks after activating your teacher's account. And then, meron din pong every cut-off na 550 pesos na lesson incentives pagkatapos yung ma-reach again yung 2,500 minutes teaching nyo. Meron din another 550 pesos pag na-reach naman ang 20 book classes without any cancellation on your end. At maraming iba pang incentives at promotions na ina-announce ng Native Camp sa platform nila. So now, let's break down the potential earnings based on different teaching schedules. Ito po yung mga best possible scenarios. So, pag full-time ka, which is 8 hours per day, pag sudden classes, more or less, makaka 19 sudden classes ka per day, which totals to 1,086 a day ang earning mo. When you multiply it in 15 days para sa isang cut-off, ang total is 16,290. Pag book classes naman po sa full-time na 8 hours a day, more or less 16 book classes per day po yan and ang total po niyan is 1,280 a day na earnings. And so pag tinimes mo ulit siya sa 15 days na cut-off is 19,200. That is for full-time ha? So paano naman pagka part-time? So pagka part-time naman, which is mga 6 hours per day lang, sudden classes ng 6 hours a day, most likely 12 sudden classes lang yan, kaya magto-total ng 686 per day ang earnings mo. And then again, multiply it sa 15 days para sa isang cut-off, ang magiging total ay 10,296. Pag book classes naman sa part-time, 6 hours a day again, 12 book classes per day is 960. So sa 15 days cut-off, total is 14,400 pesos. Wow! 'Di ba? Pero syempre, ang tanong nyo is it really doable? Okay. Imagine if magwo-work ka pa ng 12 hours a day. Dito po, your earnings will depend kung gaano ka kasipag magtrabaho. Like this one, na makikita nyo po sa inyong screen. Ganyan po siya kasipag kaya mas nahigitan pa niya yung computations ko na binigay kanina sa inyo. Bagay na bagay itong trabaho na to sa mga workaholics at sa mga laging nasa bahay lang. Kasi dito, more lessons means more earnings. Of course, your classes needs to be quality. You have to provide quality lessons sa inyong mga students. Kaya para ma-maintain ninyo ang 5 stars nyo at maging consistent ang pagpasok ng mga students sa inyo. Pero dahil nga dito, lesson scripts are provided, kayang-kayang i-achieve yan at kumita ng malaki habang nasa bahay ka lang. Our salary cut-off is from the 1st to the 15th of the month. Payday is on the 25th, and for the 16th to the last day of the month, payday falls on the 10th of the following month. Kung tatapat naman po sa holiday, maaga nyo makukuha ang inyong sahod. For salary deposits, you can use banks like BPI, BDO, and PNB. Make sure your bank account details are correct to avoid delays. Yes, I understand. Starting as an ESL teacher can be very intimidating. But that's where our training program comes in. Our program offers personalized guidance to make sure you feel prepared and confident to increase your chances of passing. Okay, let me give you some benefits in joining our training program. Number 1, step-by-step demo guide. The actual demo lesson is crucial to your application process. Our training program provides step-by-step support to help you pass your actual demo in Native Camp. Hindi ka namin susukuan hanggat hindi ka pumapasa. Makakaasa kang 24/7 support and guidance ang manggagaling from us. Provided din namin sa inyo lahat ng kailangan nyo, therefore, you will have a higher chance of passing sa inyong actual demo kasi well-equipped ka na. One chat away lang din sa GCs kung may concerns at questions at once mabasa ng mga admins, sasagutin agad kayo. Meron din tayong live and recorded training sessions. Sabi nga nila, practice makes perfect. Whether it's live or recorded training, both are equally useful and provides you freedom in training at your own pace. Every day, there are live sessions that you can join to get real-time feedback from our trainers. Hindi ka namin isasalang sa actual demo ng Native Camp hanggang hindi ka ready. Sa training pa lang, makikita mo na kung ano ang kailangan mong pagbutihin bago ka pa man magsimula sa iyong teaching journey. And then next, profile optimization. Before you even start teaching, we will help you build your teacher's profile. We will guide you on building a standout profile to get positive reviews and attract more bookings. Pag meron kang magandang profile, mas makaka-attract ng mga students na mag-take ng lessons sa'yo. And then, there's be one of us after 1 year. After your contract with us, makakasama ka na sa team namin. And that's a good news kasi magkakaroon ka ng another extra income. Pwede ka namin bigyan ng task and of course, meron yung fixed na sweldo or bayad. Just like me, for example, may hawak na po akong sariling team of teachers as their team leader. So bukod sa pagiging ESL teacher ko sa Native Camp, nagkaroon pa ako ng other tasks na naging another source of income ko na rin. At ito pa nga, free Forex training. Ang Forex training po ay isang skill na magagamit nyo kahit sa iba pang negosyo o investments. Matutulungan kayo nito na mas maintindihan ng flow ng financial markets. So, besides ESL teaching, we also offer free Forex training sa mga members namin. Kung noon po, on your 9th month pa, pwedeng maging eligible for free Forex training, this time, we're changing the game. Ginawa naming mas engaging at motivating ang process para sa inyo and here's how it works. First, pag na-reach mo na ang 10% percentage milestone, pwede ka na agad mag-attend ng first training. And then, you can move up to the next training once you've reached your 20% milestone. Next, upon reaching your 40% milestone, you can now level up sa susunod na mas advanced training. And when you hit your 50% milestone, mas malalim pa ang knowledge mo sa Forex sa next level training natin. And finally, if your percentage milestone is 70% and beyond, you're ready to go all the way sa last training. Ang percentage milestones po ay nakabase sa admin fee at ipapakita ito sa invoice mo para may clear na breakdown ka. So, bakit po ba natin to ginawa? Kasi gusto namin dito sa JMG na mas mapabilis na makapag-umpisa kayo mag-training sa Forex. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay pa dahil pwede mo nang simulan habang dahan-dahan mong inaabot ang next milestones mo. Okay, here at our training program, you're not just a number. Upon joining po sa training program namin, you also join a community of teachers who support each other, share resources, and celebrate each other's success. Pag teacher ka na, continuous training pa rin tayo dito. Pati mga teaching materials, ituturo namin para alam ninyo paano nyo madedeliver ang pagtuturo sa mga students nyo. We will also teach you strategies for keeping students engaged, managing your time, and of course, adapting lessons to different kinds of students. Kaya having us as your support group can help you become more effective teachers kahit na bago pa lang kayo. Hindi kayo nag-iisa sa inyong teaching journey because you have us every step of the way. These are the only few benefits of joining our training program. There's more. So if this sounds like the opportunity that you've been waiting for, huwag nyo nang palampasin to. So ang tanong, paano ba ang training sa JMG? Isa po sa maganda dito sa training program namin ay yung flexibility nito. Sabi ko nga, train at your own pace. Perfect po ito para sa mga may full-time job na balak gawing part-time ang ESL teaching. We also have recorded trainings which is available anytime for access. Kaya pwede nyong gamitin para mag-train kayo on your own free time. This is ideal para sa mga busy individuals na may ibang commitments katulad ng trabaho o inaasikasong pamilya. Then of course, as I have said, we also have live trainings that is available from Mondays to Fridays. Schedules po for the live trainings are posted sa training GCs namin, kaya ikaw mismo ang pipili ng oras na babagay sa schedule mo. Ang live trainings are very interactive at may real-time guidance from our experienced trainers. So, gaano naman katagal ang training? Okay, if you are a fast learner, pwede mong matapos ang training in 5 days to 1 week. For self-paced learners, no pressure. Take your time since our training is valid until 6 months. No equipment yet? No problem. Habang wala ka pang laptop or PC, pwede kang gumamit ng phone muna habang nasa training stage ka. This way, you will have enough knowledge and confidence kapag kumpleto na yung mga equipments mo. So now, the question is, am I getting paid for the training or am I going to pay for the training? To answer the first question, no. We are not going to pay you for the training kasi this training is support for you to land the job. Pero sa second question na, am I going to pay for the training? Ang sagot po dyan ay, meron po kaming training deposit na 399 pesos which is refundable. Again, refundable po yan kaya masasabi kong free talaga. And yes, to answer your question, since I am a JMG trained ESL teacher now, na-refund ko na po ang training deposit ko. Pero ano nga ba ang training deposit? Hindi ba pwedeng mag-train na lang kami ng walang nilalabas na deposit? Training deposit is a fee that we require our trainees to pay before they begin our training program. This deposit acts as a commitment from the trainee, showing that they are serious about completing the training. We want to ensure that trainees won't leave shortly after receiving costly training. Costly? Kasi po, hindi po madaling mag-train. Yung pagod na i-train kayo at spoon-fed kayo every step of the way and then biglang tatamarin, o aayaw na, o manggo-ghosting na lang. Unfair naman po para sa part ng trainers na naglaan ng oras at pagod sa inyo. Your 399 training deposit is valid up to 6 months. This means that you must complete the entire process, including the actual demo in Native Camp, within 6 months from the start of your training. Even if you do not pass the actual demo at Native Camp within 3 chances, your deposit is still refundable. Please note that if you do not complete the training and application process, your deposit becomes non-refundable. Additionally, the training deposit is non-transferable and cannot be assigned to another individual. So ngayon, saan isa-send ang training deposit if ever you decide na gusto nyo na mag-proceed? Okay, we have these two mode of payments, GCash and Union Bank, na makikita nyo po ang buong detalye once you are added sa aming group chat. These are the only mode of payments we accept for training deposit. If may referrer kayo na nakakausap at nagsabi sa inyong mag-send kayo ng training deposit sa other mode of payment other than these two na nakikita nyo sa inyong mga screen, do not do it. Hindi po yan legit. Again, only these two mode of payments ang accepted sa pagsisend ng training deposit nyo. After passing the demo lesson and upon agreeing to get assistance from us, you understand that first, you must stay with us for 1 year, and second, you will pay $9.99 admin fee every payday. This fee includes coaching, account management, and continuous training. A contract will be prepared for you and you will read the terms carefully before signing to fully understand our system. We are here to assist you at every stage. Marami na tayong mga positive feedback mula sa ating mga members. Ang mga testimonials na ito ang magpapatunay na ang ating training program ay effective at reliable. Pwede niyong i-pause ang video para mabasa ninyo kasi masyadong mahaba sila at matatagalan kung babasahin ko pa isa-isa. But just to share, this is from my own experience. Nung ako po ang nag-start na magte-training pa lang, I slacked off. Tumambay lang ako sa GC talaga at hindi ako nagsimulang mag-training. Pero nung umpisahan kong seryosohin, it only took me 2 weeks. Pumasa na kagad ako for actual demo and nung nag-actual demo ako with Native Camp, I passed on my first try. Hindi ko na nagamit pa yung 2 retakes ko. Sobrang laki ng utang na loob ko dito sa JMG training program na ito dahil kung hindi ko to nakita o kung hindi ako nakapag-training dito, hindi ako magiging ESL teacher at hindi nyo ako maririnig ngayon na nagdi-discuss sa presentation na ito. So kung ikaw yung tipo ng taong madaling sumuko at panghinaan ng loob, huwag ka na mag-try. Kasi this job opportunity is for those people who are decided to change their lives. So ngayon, kung ready ka nang simula ng iyong new ESL teaching career, mag-message lamang po kayo kung sino man ang nagbigay sa inyo ng video na to and tell that person na you want to proceed so that they can help you with the process and give you more details sa program namin at para maiyad na rin kayo sa aming GC. Remember, Messenger only lang po tayo. Walang WhatsApp, Telegram, or Viber. At para makasigurado po kayo na legit ang kinakausap nyo, pwede rin po kayo mag-message sa aming Facebook page. Teaching online has transformed my life and I'm excited for the opportunities that it can open up for you too. Thank you so much for listening and watching to this video. And of course, good luck sa inyong lahat na ngayon pa lang ay ready na mag-start ng training at magkaroon ng trabaho. Again, this is Miss Alexa or Teacher A, and I hope to see you all teaching with us here at JMG soon. Bye!